We are going to see hyperlinks, how we can insert a hyperlink into our PowerPoint. So sometime we require like a test is there, and if I click on this, then it will visit to the one site, Google site, or any other our website. We can select, or is if there is some files are there available, no, we can edit. So as of now, if you see, we have altogether 5 type of hyperlinks available where we can add it. So let me show you. I'm clicking on the any test and click on the hyperlink. So first is the existing website, or some website is there or some file is there, we can select it. Then place in this document, we can, if say for example, if I'm working on the slide 4, and from here I want to navigate to the slide 1, right? Those time we can click on the this place, that we can use this this option, place in this document, and create a new document. If I want to create a new notepad file and enter some data into that, right? So that time we can use this one, create a new, and then send an email. So there's altogether 5 type of option available for the hyperlinks. Those are, so web pages we can insert, files we can insert, link to the same file, new file we can insert and send. So this file is like already it is in available in our desktop, like our system, we can link into that, and we can also send an email. So if we click on that link, email will be sent. So let's see each one. So first I will show you how we can link or insert a hyperlink to their website. So I have say for example, this test is there, I want to insert a hyperlink on this. I'll select this test and click on this and click on the hyperlink. So here it will ask website address, right? So we can directly copy from our website, like Google, any website, like any link you can provide, you can. So any website link will be work. As of now I am putting Google and click OK. No, yes, sorry, as of now I have selected wrong. I have to select the existing website or page, and here I have to put the address. I'm clicking OK. So click here. As of now you are seeing that that link, right? If you want to like go to visit that, press Control, and once you press Control key, no, this will change to the hand symbol, and now if you click, it will visit to the website. But if normal case you want to run another, no, you have to bring it to the PPT form, or like on the presentation mode, and here you don't have to press the Control key, and you can directly click on this. So now it will again go to the navigate to the that website. Again I will show you. Just right click on this, click on the, as of now we have edit link, click on the edit link, and here from the existing file or page you have to click provide the website link. So this is how we can insert a hyperlink to the website. Next we have how we can provide a hyperlink to the file. So I'll click on this test, and now I press Control K. Control K is the shortcut for the inserting hyperlink to the test. So I click on this. As of now, new file. So instead of providing website here, I will give a document, any document on the like file path I will provide. So I have saved something, I will be in the desktop. Let's see if I have something. Okay, for demo, if I'm selecting this one and clicking OK, and now I click OK. So now if you observe, again I got this one. If I go to the presentation mode, and if I click here, it is asking, yes, you want to continue, yes. That file got open, but we are not able to, there is no actually document. Let me give another file where we have some data. So I'm browsing here, and let it be this one. Okay, click OK, and here again, and now if I click here, it should open that. Yeah, it's showing that this sample PowerPoint show will be open. I click OK. Now we can see that file got open. So this is the way we can link any other file to the here. It can be any file like PowerPoint, Notepad, WordPad, like Microsoft Excel file, any video file. If you want to add a video file, right, we can click on update the same way as a link to the video file and will be play. Now hyperlink to the same this document. So say for example, if I click here, how we can do, click on the hyperlink and places in this. So it will show you how, what are the places, like we have first slide, last slide, next slide, where we wanted to have. Say for example, I want to go to the first slide, click on this and once click OK, got it. And then if I click here, control plus, let me go on to the presentation mode and see. Okay, it is coming here. Let's click and it going to the hyperlink to the first page. Like our first slide is hyperlink to the first page, right? So that's is coming. So this is working, and it can be any, right, as per our choice. What are the choices we have? We can select like this hyperlink to this document, new file, hyperlink to send the emails, right? Any of this slide we can put on that. Then next we have hyperlink to the new file. So hyperlink to new file is like, say for example, if I want to click here and get in brand new notepad open. So for that, how we can do, click on the hyperlink. Now create a new document, and here you have to provide the path, so where the file will be get saved. So as of now, here I am putting as a sample notepad. Okay, and now at the last we have to put txt. The next option, if you see, it is asking like edit the new document later. You want to edit the new document, which document is creating is later or now. So if you click on the now, as soon as I click OK, one notepad will be open and it will ask to provide some data, enter some data. If I click on the later, then it will not show the any kind of that notepad will not get open now. So let me go to the this presentation mode, and now click simple. As of now the test got created, simple to visit the notepad. I click here. If I click on this, I should be getting a notepad. It is asking like you want to open, yes. And now if you see, I got the notepad file. Hello, this is the tutorials point. And if I, as soon as you go ahead, like all the notepad options are available. If I click on save and everything, right, edit, view, all these things are there. So for the notepad, complete notepad, I have a separate video. You can refer onto my video section. Let me close this one, and if I again click on this, I should be getting that test whatever I have written, right? This hello, this is, so something more I want to add, I can keep on writing. And if I close that, it will ask for the save. Yes, I want to save it. And again, if I want to go and click, it will be again that word will got written. So it is actually basically a link to the notepad file. And last one we have is how we can send the emails to the with the help of hyperlink. One thing we have to note it down here, to send the email we should be having our any of the like kind of Outlook or Google account to be set into the our laptop. So let me show you how we can configure and what are the things are there required to send the email. Click on the hyperlink and now send an email address, which is the last one. Now it will ask what is the email address. Anything we can like if I say abcd@gmail.com, any email address where you want to send the email, you can type it, and that what is the subject of that email. Hello, this is a test email. Okay, once we click OK, it will be working. Let me go to the presentation mode, control like sorry, shift F5 for the getting started from the current slide. So I click on here. If I click on this, it is asking add account. As of now in my system I don't have any Outlook account or any email account is added, that's why it is asking that window is getting created. If you have, then directly you will be getting one email email generated, and where your subject in the two option like to email address, you will be having that email address which you have provided here, and in subject it will be the test will be written. I will click on the edit. So on the two this will be insert, and then email on email it just hello, and this is like it will be get added. Sometime we wanted to remove the hyperlink. If I insert the hyperlink, how I can remove it? Just click on the test where hyperlink is present and right click on that, and you will be having one option called remove hyperlink. Click on that, the link will be removed. So that's all for this video. We have covered all those points, like how we can hyperlink to the web page, how we can hyperlink to the files, and this in this document how we can navigate, and then how we can create a new file attached to our slide, and then how we can send the email. Thank you so much for watching.